All right, we do a lot of design work with Pic Monkey, and it's real easy to use, and I'm going to show you how to do it real quick right here. So first you log in. A lot of things are run through the hub. We keep them organized right in here. There's tournaments, pro shop, miscellaneous, memberships, logos. So everything you need is right there. So first step, just to give you an example of how easy this can be, is if I go to a search engine, I just type in golf picture, go to images. Now look, you've got all these pictures that pop up. Some of these are like framed perfectly. Like this one I've used quite a bit. Like you can show this picture and then you can put a logo here. Oops. Put a logo here and then verbiage here of whatever you're trying to promote. Save image as golf image 4. Save. I go back to Pic Monkey. I want to upload a picture. It's uploading. There it is. Now I can click on this, add an image from my hub, go to collections. Now, like I want to put a logo in there. Here's all our logos. I want to put the Morrison Lake logo in there. Add image. Can move it around. Boom. So you can do all sorts of things then. Over here, text. You want to do text. Then there's like add a text box. And then there's just a million different fonts you can choose from. Golf at Morrison Lake today. And then we could spend hours on this, but then, you know, drop shadows. You can change the angle of the drop shadow with your fonts. So just a million things you can do. That's it in a nutshell. If you want to export it to your computer, you hit export. Very important. We want to save these things into our hub. We've got it in leagues. If you want to change it to somewhere else, you can move it. Collections. There you go. We'll put it in miscellaneous. So it's important for it to keep organized. You can spend hours working on these things and then several more hours just trying to find them when you need them. So let's try to keep it organized. But that's Pic Monkey.